You might be wondering, what is the difference between Audible Standard and Audible Premium Plus? Audible Standard is Audible's newest discounted membership. It's only $8.99 per month. There's a link in the description down below that will take you to this Audible Standard landing page where you can read a little bit more about it and sign up for it if you want to. If you scroll down, you'll actually see this comparison between Audible Standard and Audible Premium Plus. So on Audible Standard, you get a book a month, and on Audible Premium Plus, you get a credit a month. The difference is Audible Standard, you've got to select that book. That's why I called it a book a month. On Premium Plus, you don't have to select a book. That credit will roll over as long as you have your Premium Plus membership. So you can wait to use your credits, and then when you spend them, you keep that book forever on Audible Premium Plus. Even if you cancel your account, you can still listen to them. On Audible Standard, you get those books and you build up your library. So all those books each month you're grabbing are going to build up in your library. You can listen to them as long as you have an Audible membership. But if you cancel and you just you don't have a membership that you're paying for currently, those books from that Audible Standard plan become locked on your account. So you can't listen to them until you have an Audible membership that you're paying for. And so that's kind of the difference, the main difference I would say, because you still have access to the entire collection of 1 million plus titles on Audible. And the only other thing is that you do get on Premium Plus that Plus catalog. So there is some extra stuff that you can get for free where you don't actually have to spend your credit. So some books don't cost a credit. Some books you can just listen to for free. But a lot of the premium titles and a lot of the new popular books that are out are really the same choices between Premium Plus and Standard. They still cost a credit either way. But that's the main difference. On this page that is linked in the bio, you can actually get a 30-day free trial of either Standard or Premium Plus. And you just have to click that button and it's going to have you make sure you're logged in on the account with the account email that you're using Audible with. Or the one that you want to actually purchase the standard trial on. But you get that 30-day free trial before you start. Enter in your details and then you try for free. And you're able to cancel any time during that 30-day free trial too, so if you don't want to pay for the extended membership. But make sure you listen to that book before your membership cancels. But that's Audible Standard versus Audible Premium Plus. There's two memberships there. Oh, the price difference too, we didn't talk about, but you probably saw. It's almost $15 a month on Premium Plus. It's only $8.99 on Standard. So Standard is Audible's cheapest membership plan. So it's really a good price because those premium titles can be $20, $30 plus dollars, and you're getting it for $8.99 a month. So if you like to read a book a month, I think Standard is probably a really great option for you, and you can try it out and see what you think free for 30 days. That's Audible Standard versus Audible Premium Plus. Check them out with the link in the description and get that free 30-day trial. I just said free 30-day trial.